Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can add and remove elements in arrays in JavaScript. So I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other code editor of your choice. And we can see that I have a browser right here and I have the inspector open. So we can see I have this array with apple, orange, mango and banana. We can also see that I have this right here in my script.js file. And this file is linked to my HTML file, alright? If you don't know how to do this, I have a video for that in the description below. So we have this array, fruits, with apple, orange, mango and banana, alright? And we use console.log to see the results, alright? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the last element in this array. So to do that, we're gonna use fruits dot pop, open and close parentheses, like so. Finish off with semicolon, and as you can see, this removes the last element, banana, in this array. We can also add elements to the end of this array. So to do that, we're gonna target the array, fruits. We're gonna add push, open and close parentheses, finish off with semicolon, and inside here we're gonna add a string and we're gonna add another fruit, so strawberry, like so. Now we can see that we get this element at the end of this array, strawberry. So this is how you can add elements to the end of your array. After that, we're gonna go and remove something from the beginning of this array. So we're gonna remove apple. To do that, we're gonna target fruits dot shift, open and close parentheses, finish off with a semicolon, and that's it. Now we can see that we have removed apple from the beginning of this array. If you want to add elements to the beginning of this array, we're gonna target fruits dot unshift, open and close parentheses, and inside here we're gonna add what we want to add. So we want to add a string, and we're gonna add just raspberry, like so. And this will add an element to the beginning of this array, alright? And if you want to move something between the beginning and the end, like orange and mango, we're gonna use splice. So to do that, we're gonna target fruits dot splice, open and close parentheses. So now we're gonna choose the index we want to remove. So let's say I want to remove orange. So this has the index of 1, so 0, 1. We're gonna add 1, like so. This will remove orange, but everything else after that. So we need to add comma, and we need to add 1. That means we only want to remove one element from the index 1. So now orange is gone, like that. You can also add another comma and add another fruit instead of orange. So now we can add another fruit. So let's say I want to add banana. Now we have banana instead of orange, alright? So you can replace stuff if you like. We can also remove more than one element. So if I choose 2 instead, this will also remove mango, like so. So this is how you can remove elements, so not only in the beginning and at the end of this array. And we can also use splice if we want to add stuff into this array. So to do that, we're gonna use fruits.splice, open and close parentheses one more time. And let's say I want to add something after orange and before mango. So we need to target the index where we want to add this element. So I want to add it between orange and mango. So we're gonna do 0, 1, 2. So we're gonna add the new fruit right here. So we're gonna add 2 for index. We're gonna add 0. We don't want to delete anything. We're gonna add comma again. And now we're gonna add what we want to insert. So we want to insert another fruit. So we're gonna insert banana one more time. Like so. So now we have banana in between orange and mango. Okay everyone, so if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe. You can also check out my other videos. If you want to join my Discord server, we are all about programming. You find the link in the description. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.